Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook. In today's edition, we'll be talking about how to prepare body oil. So to prepare body oil, you need paraffin oil, you need petroleum jelly, lanolin, vitamin E, glycerin, and perfume. Your perfume could be PS or cocoa butter, but you can also choose the perfume of your choice. In this preparation, we'll be taking you through how to prepare 5 liters of body oil. Our preparation is just a sketch of how to make body oil. We are not going to be using measurements, but for the guide, in case you want to do yours, you can just follow this guide. For making 5 liters of body oil, you need 5 liters of paraffin oil. You need 300 grams of petroleum jelly, 2 spoons of lanolin, 25 milliliters of vitamin E, 25 milliliters of glycerin, and 50 milliliters of perfume. So let's quickly take you through our materials. So this is our paraffin oil. This is our petroleum jelly. Our vitamin E. Vitamin E is the one I'm just dropping right now. Then glycerin, perfume. We are not making use of lanolin in this training because I'm not even having it at home. Okay, we are going to be heating our pan in order to heat our paraffin oil. We are going to be putting our paraffin oil on fire, and this fire is going to be a low heat. So make sure it's a low heat. So we are adding our paraffin oil to the pan, which is on fire and a low heat. Our motive is not to burn or to fry the oil. Our motive is just to heat it so that the whole materials that are involved can become just one solution. So we are adding our paraffin oil right now. Then after the paraffin oil, we'll be adding our petroleum jelly. In this training, our petroleum jelly do not follow the regular measurements, and that is an error. It should follow the regular measurement. The regular measurement says 5 liters of paraffin oil, then we'll be adding petroleum jelly of 300 grams. So that's about 5% of the paraffin oil. But in this case, we are almost having half of the paraffin oil as petroleum jelly. So the disadvantage is that you'll be having a solid production instead of a liquid production. What we want is just a semi-liquid, a thick liquid. We want something that will not just be watery in our hand. We want something thick, a little bit thick, so that at least we can rub it in our hands. It doesn't just pour off our palm. But when you are having almost half, you might be having a thick solution that would not even be pouring out of the container. I'm switching off my fire because I feel it's getting too much, but make sure when you're pouring other solutions, make sure you put it on fire on a low heat just to make everything become one. Otherwise, you'll be having different kinds of solution. That means be having stages of liquid. Some will be at the top, some will be below, and so on. So I'm adding my vitamin E right now, and make sure if you're doing yours, make sure you heat everything together. Otherwise, you might be having segments of oils. So make sure you heat everything together to become one, and don't fry. So that's my vitamin E. I'll be adding glycerin. So I'm adding glycerin right now, after which I'll be adding perfume. So I'm adding my perfume, and that's all we need. I just felt like, oh, the whole material is hot already, but don't feel that way. Make sure you leave it on low heat and make sure everything heats together to become one, in order to become one solution. So that's all. So make it cool down, then pour into your container, and that is your body oil. The only thing you want to add is anything that makes the body glow, and which is in form of liquid or which is soluble in oil. That means something that dissolves in oil, or anything that is in liquid that will go together after heating. So those are just the things. So the difference between our body oil depends on what we are adding to make the body glow or to moisturize the body or so on. So it depends on you. But these are the regulars. The major thing is just for you to have paraffin oil and to have petroleum jelly just to make it a little bit thick, and every other thing depends on how you want the body to glow and your own formula. That brings creativity. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you.